As a motorcyclist and an electrical engineer, I was dismayed at stock motorcycle horns, and I've been cut off so many times, I knew I needed something better. Behind the scenes, we've been working on an entirely new model that we've called the Shockwave, and that's exactly what it is. We shrunk the design down by 40% and shed 40% of the weight too. The control unit that gives all this cool functionality used to be separate, but now we've built it into the bottom of the compressor housing. With these changes, the system can be fitted in 10 to 20 minutes as opposed to 1 to 2 hours for the previous design. And it's loud, way louder than this video can show.
Wolo's new Model 619 Big Bad Max air horn uses the same proven patented technology as Wolo's original bad boy. Big Bad Max has a sound chamber designed to create a deep, big rig, ultra powerful sound that will be heard. The sound chamber has also been engineered to allow the user to clean any road dirt or dust without any special tools, assuring a powerful and reliable horn for the life of the vehicle. Big Bad Max is the perfect choice for all 12-volt vehicles, cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. The one-piece patented design does not require any drilling of holes for trumpets and eliminates the need for bulky hoses. It's built with a heavy-duty compressor that is maintenance-free and will provide years of dependable service. Model 619 features a black stealth finish. Big Bad Max easily installs with one bolt supplied, and by simply transferring the vehicle's factory horn wires to Big Bad Max's compressor, the installation is complete. If you want a deep, powerful air horn sound, go no further. Big Bad Max is the horn for you. They will hear you before they can see you.